Hello friends, welcome to our channel Live Trades. Today is 25th February 2020. In this video we will discuss about chart setups and trading strategies for tomorrow in Nifty, Banknifty, stocks and commodities. So this is TDF X1 system from tdftrader.com. So it is an MT4 platform. You can trade stocks, commodities and Forex markets with this system. So you can purchase the system from tdftrader.com. Link is given in the description box. This is Nifty 50 minutes chart, futures chart. So you can see here, I'll just put a period separator. Sell signal is running in this Nifty chart. You can see there is a sell signal and filter is red and even candles are also red here. So breakdown of this particular level was a sell signal. So we are short since yesterday. So today there was no movement in the Nifty. It was down only 30 points. Whole day it was in small range. This was the range, this was the top and this was the bottom, and it could not even break the yesterday's low convincingly. So there is a possibility of pullback tomorrow. In yesterday's video we have told very clearly that there will be small pullback in Nifty today because some put options were sold yesterday at the close of the session around 3:15. So you can see there was a small pullback, but it was sold into. So as per chart structure, there is a possibility of at least some reasonable pullback tomorrow. So higher time frame also it is in sell mode only. There is no disturbance in higher time frame. So let us see tomorrow there is a possibility of a pullback as per the option data and as per this chart movement also, as per this price movement also. So let us see tomorrow, and if any pullback comes up to this level, that will be a very good point to short if there is no new buy signal. And let us see the option table now. This is Nifty option table. You can see here, so this is a resistance. This is major resistance 12,000, and before that you can see 11,900 is there. So you can see 11,950 to 12,000 will be a very good resistance. So even if tomorrow market goes up, there will be a resistance around 11,950 to 12,000. So keep that in mind, and then you can see just mark it. So this is the R1, this one, and this is R2. And you can see here there is a support at this contract level 11,700. So this is S1, and you can see another support afterwards. It's only 11,600, but I don't think 11,700 will be broken unless there is some big bad news. So as per this table, there is no build up of big short positions. Of course there are short positions in the system. As per the price structure and as per this option table, there should be a pullback, reasonable pullback tomorrow. So let us see what happens tomorrow. Let us see Bank Nifty chart now. Bank Nifty has not fallen today. It was almost at the same point where it closed today yesterday. So Nifty has fallen around 30 points, but there is no fall in Bank Nifty. Of course, it has tried to break down yesterday's low, but again you got some buying pressure here. So we have some call options here, 30,600 call option, 30,700 call options we have. So let us say we are expecting some pullback because even when Nifty was falling, so it is not falling even yesterday and today also. Yesterday in last hour video we have told you that there will be a chance of pullback today morning. So the same thing has come, but we were expecting pullback up to this level, that did not come. Yesterday also when Nifty has fallen around 250 points, Bank Nifty should have fallen around 800 points, but it has fallen only 500 points. So that is the reason we were expecting some pullback. The pullback has come. So even for tomorrow also we have some call options of 30,600 and 30,700, and let us see what happens tomorrow. And let us go back to the option table now. This is the Bank Nifty option table. You can see 30,500. There is a build up of 7,43,000 contracts. It will act as a immediate resistance. But afterwards you can see there is this 30,800 is the range. So tomorrow even if gap up happens, 30,800 may not cross unless there is some big good news. And you can see there is this one here. You can see put options. This one is support. 30,200 is support. So 30,200 to 30,100 will be a strong support level. So if any bad news comes, then only it may fall. Otherwise, there will be a chance of pullback. So we have around. So we have taken 30,700 call option, 30,600 call option for tomorrow in limited quantity only. Let us see what happens tomorrow. as per this structure, there must be at least some pullback up to at least 150 200 points pullback must be there. Afterwards, if there is no buy signal, then again market will fall. So tomorrow is Wednesday, and we will upload a new video tomorrow evening regarding Bank Nifty options strategy for Thursday. Watch that video. If you are option trader, it will be helpful to you. Now let us go back to the individual stocks now. First stock is Havels. See, in the previous video, in yesterday's video, we have very clearly told that if this high is broken, if yesterday's high is broken, it will go to 645, and today it went up to 646, and this stock is outperforming. There is no selling pressure here. I think there is some news which is not coming into the market. There may be some good news which is not known by retail traders. So probably it will go to 650, 655. So observe this chart. Try to trade only pullbacks. Try to buy only pullbacks. Do not buy if there is a big gap up tomorrow morning. It's a strong stock in this market. In this falling market, it's a strong stock. And next one is SBI. See, SBI, you can see there was a sell signal from X1 indicator, but candles were not red at that point of time. So candles have become red yesterday, but this low is not broken. So sell signal is not triggered, and this chart setup is very good. And tomorrow, if there is no bad news in international markets, it will go up to minimum 333, 335. So that will be a first target, and it may even cross 340 also. If there is no bad news in international markets, even if Nifty is slightly positive, even if Bank Nifty is slightly positive, this will outperform Nifty and Bank Nifty. So observe SBI chart. And the next one is Bharti Airtel. So you can see there is a sell signal running here, and even higher time frame is also in sell. There is no problem, but whenever there is a zero crossover of TDF oscillator, this is TDF oscillator. So whenever there is a zero crossover of oscillator, if any pullback, if any new buy signal comes, that will be very strong buy signal. So observe this. If any 1 to 3 pattern comes in this Bharti Airtel, that will be a very good point to take that long position. So even if there is no buy signal also, you can take some long position if 1 to 3 pattern breaks out in the long direction. So keep this in mind. And there is some put trading also in this particular stock, so observe that. And next one is Maruti. See, it is continuously falling. Yesterday also we have told you to short if any pullback comes, but there is no pullback. We were expecting pullback up to this level, so pullback did not come. It came up to this level only. So if any pullback comes to this level is approximately 6,650, so almost 200 points away. So if any pullback comes up to that level, so try to short it again, it will come back. So it will give you instant money. And all automobile stocks are now underperforming. You can see even M&M also, it's in very good sell signal. So next chart is Aro Pharma. So most of you know that what happened with Aro Pharma. It was down 10% on one day, 3-4 days back, and down 10% yesterday. But after that fall, it did not go down below that particular candle. So you can see it was in total, it was in small consolidation. So if it breaks out this consolidation, again it will go back to the previous high. Okay, so there is some bad news, but as per chart structure, it may go back to that particular level. So we don't know what news that is going to come from this one. So be careful regarding pharma stocks. All news is coming in the night when market is closed. That is the reason you are getting wild reactions. So be careful when you are holding a position in pharma stocks. Try to hold only minimum lots. Do not take big lots. So even if you have got many positions, try to have some hedging by puts or by calls. So the next stock is LIC Housing Finance. So this also we mentioned yesterday. There was a buy signal. It is not valid signal. So sell signal is running, and we were expecting some pullback up to this level. That did not come. So if a pullback comes up to this level, that will be a very good area to short again. So if a new buy signal comes, then we can reverse the position. And the next one is Indiabulls Housing Finance. See, there was a buy signal here around, I think this is 313. From 313 it went up to 360, I think, on that day. Its high is around 360. Yesterday there was some sell signal, but it did not trigger because candles were not red. So today candle has become red. First candle has become red. So we have sold below this and we booked some profit intraday. But by the end of the session, it closed at the same price, where we have shorted. So this indicator which represents higher time frame, this is HTF indicator. So this is not matching the short position. So probably tomorrow we will have one upside movement if everything is fine with international markets. So observe for this. This structure is also very good. So tomorrow, even if a small pullback comes, try to put a buy order above this one. It will again go back to this level. Okay. So this is about NSE, and now we will go back to commodities now. So before that, this is Dow chart. So it is in still sell mode. So what happens in the night session we will see. And now we see gold chart. So gold is down around 2.5% today. Of course, there was a 100-point profit in this one. So yesterday itself we have told to put stop loss at VWAP of previous day. So probably your positions would have been closed somewhere here. This is MCX chart. There is a sell signal. Sorry, this is 5-minute chart only. So in 5 minutes there is a sell signal. Sell signal is running since morning. So it is already in profit also. So of course you can trade any time frame for 1 minute to daily or weekly. So we are giving some templates here, like for 1 minute there is a template, for 5 minutes there is a template, for 15, 60, 4 hours there is a template, and like that. So whichever time frame you want, you can trade, apply that particular template and trade as per the rules. And now see, we will see silver. So this is silver 1 hour chart. So you can see there was a buy signal, and then it has gone up to almost 3000 points. I think yesterday we have shown you this same chart. Refer to the previous video, and we have told very clearly to put stop loss, not to enter again, because no, this was very big move. Reaction was expected, and today it is down almost I think 3%, 2.5-3% is down. So let us see 5-minute chart of this one. I'll just load 5-minute chart. So in 5-minute chart we have a sell signal here, and filter is red, and candles are also red. So probably you would have sold somewhere here. Of course, before this arrow, this sell signal is there, so you would have sold here itself. So what is the price here? We will see. This is 48,448. This particular candle, 48,448. Okay, so 48,425 you would have sold. I think 500 points. It is in 500 points profit. Of course, there is no problem, because even higher time frame for this particular time frame it is also matching. So there is no problem in this chart. It may even go down. And let us see crude oil chart now. This is crude oil chart, 1 hour chart. This is of international market, and there is a sell signal running here, okay, from this level. Okay, so it is already fallen, it is in profit. So let us see crude oil chart, MCX chart now. You can see there is a sell signal, and filter is red, and candles are red, and sell below this level. So what is that level? This one is 3750. This low is 3750. So from 3750 it is already in 5,000 rupees profit. But you can see there is one important thing here. You can see this higher time frame is changing here. Okay, so this is not a good sign. Probably we may get some buying pressure. Of course, we are already getting some buying pressure. That is the reason this is changed to blue color. So if you have a position, it is better to exit now, book some profit, and try to short if any pullback comes again. Of course, there is no danger of going up again under 200 points, but anything can happen in international markets depending upon the news that comes. So if any good news comes from China, then automatically all markets will go up, because that was the reason all markets have fallen. So subscribe to our channel if you like our videos. All our videos will come with useful trading strategies. If you subscribe to our channel, you will get notification whenever we upload videos. We welcome your comments. Visit our website livetrades.com for more information regarding live trading rooms and other services. Thanks for watching.